In the natural world, animal adaptations are among the most astonishing demonstrations of how life reshapes itself to survive, thrive, and endure across countless generations. These adaptations are not random tricks of nature, nor are they merely quirks that make specific species unusual or entertaining to observe. Instead, they are the result of evolutionary pressures, environmental demands, and the necessity of survival in an ever-changing world. When we look at animals closely, whether in dense rainforests, oceans that seem to stretch into infinity, deserts baked by relentless heat, or icy landscapes where life feels nearly impossible, we find that every creature carries within it a story of perseverance. Today, let us explore 10 of the most fascinating animal adaptations, a testament to nature's creativity, resilience, and endless capacity for innovation. While some of these adaptations may already be familiar, taking a deeper look reveals layers of complexity and wonder that often go unnoticed at first glance. To begin, let us consider the mesmerizing chameleon. These reptiles are known around the world for their ability to change color, but their color-shifting talent is far more intricate than many assume. Contrary to popular belief, chameleons do not change color solely to blend into their environment. While camouflage is indeed one crucial purpose, their shifting hues also convey emotional states, territorial signals, and intentions toward potential mates. When a chameleon feels threatened, excited, relaxed, or aggressive, its skin can shimmer into shades of green, yellow, blue, or even vivid red. The mechanism behind this transformation lies in specialized skin cells called chromatophores and iridophores, which expand or contract to reflect different wavelengths of light. This elegant adaptation allows chameleons to communicate silently, avoid predators, and regulate body temperature. Observing a chameleon shift through colors feels almost like watching a living, breathing canvas, one shaped by evolutionary forces over millions of years. Now let us turn to the curious and famously comical pufferfish. Many people know them for their ability to inflate dramatically, puffing up into a spiky balloon-like shape whenever danger approaches. This inflation is not accomplished through air, as some cartoons suggest, but through the rapid intake of water. A threatened pufferfish can expand to nearly 3 times its normal size, becoming a formidable and difficult-to-swallow sphere. This deters predators physically, but pufferfish have an additional and far more intimidating line of defense, a powerful neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin. This substance is so potent that even a tiny amount can be deadly to other animals, and it is among the strongest poisons found in the natural world. Because of this, predators are wise to keep their distance. The combination of visual intimidation and chemical defense makes the pufferfish a master of survival, proof that even small, slow-moving fish can become nearly untouchable through evolutionary ingenuity. Equally captivating are penguins, birds that cannot fly, yet glide through the ocean with unparalleled grace. Over time, their wings have transformed into strong, paddle-like flippers, perfectly suited for swimming. What penguins may lack in aerial ability, they make up for with remarkable aquatic skill, moving through the water with surprising speed and agility. Their sleek bodies reduce drag, allowing them to chase fish, evade predators such as seals, and navigate icy waters with precision. Additionally, penguins are equipped with dense layers of feathers and fat that insulate them against frigid temperatures. While these birds appear awkward on land, the moment they dive into the water, they reveal their true mastery of movement. Their adaptation reminds us that evolutionary success does not always require preserving every original ability. Sometimes, trading one skill for another results in profound advantages. Another extraordinary example of adaptation lies in the camel, a creature that has become synonymous with endurance and resilience. Camels are often associated with endless deserts, scorching sun, and survival in places where few other animals can endure. Their ability to go for long periods without water is legendary, but the internal workings behind this feat are even more impressive. Contrary to popular belief, camels do not store water in their humps. Instead, the humps contain fat deposits that provide long-lasting energy and serve as insulation. Their bodies are adapted to tolerate extreme dehydration, allowing them to lose more than a quarter of their body weight in water without suffering fatal consequences, something that would be impossible for most mammals. Their blood cells are uniquely shaped to maintain circulation even when hydration drops, and their nostrils can trap moisture from exhaled air, reducing water loss. With broad, padded feet designed to walk across hot sand, long eyelashes to keep out dust, and thick lips capable of eating thorny desert plants, camels embody adaptation in nearly every aspect of their physiology. Another marvel of nature's design is the owl, a bird whose nocturnal hunting abilities have fascinated humans for centuries. With eyes that seem to pierce the darkness, owls possess highly specialized vision adapted for low-light conditions. But their extraordinary hearing is perhaps even more impressive. Many owl species have asymmetrical ear placement, one ear positioned slightly higher than the other owl, allowing them to detect tiny differences in how sound reaches each side. This enables them to pinpoint prey with astonishing accuracy, even when that prey is hidden beneath leaves, snow, or soil. Their feathers are also designed to minimize noise during flight, enabling them to approach unsuspecting prey silently. The combination of silent movement, exceptional hearing, and sharp vision makes owls some of the most efficient nocturnal hunters on Earth. Their adaptations highlight how finely tuned nature can become when survival requires mastery of the night. The world of frogs provides yet another remarkable example of adaptation. Certain frog species possess the ability to adjust the color of their skin depending on environmental factors and body temperature. Much like chameleons, these frogs can shift shades to blend into their surroundings, but their color changes serve additional purposes. When temperatures drop, some frogs darken their skin to absorb more heat from sunlight. When temperatures rise, they adopt lighter shades to reflect sunlight and avoid overheating. This dual-purpose adaptation helps frogs regulate their internal temperature in addition to concealing themselves from predators. For small amphibians that are often vulnerable in their environments, such an ability can mean the difference between life and death. Sharks, too, offer numerous examples of evolutionary refinement. Over millions of years, they have become some of the most efficient predators in the ocean. Their teeth are constantly replaced throughout their lives, ensuring they never lose their ability to hunt. But one of their most extraordinary adaptations is their ability to sense electric fields. Sharks possess specialized organs called ampulla of Lorenzini, which detect the electrical signals produced by all living creatures. This allows them to locate prey even when visibility is poor or when animals are buried beneath the sand. Their streamlined bodies, powerful muscles, and acute senses make sharks apex predators capable of dominating vast ocean ecosystems. Their adaptations are a testament to the power of long-term evolution driven by hunting and survival needs. In the delicate and colorful world of butterflies, adaptation often comes in the form of deception. Some butterflies mimic the appearance of species that are poisonous or unpalatable to predators. This strategy, known as Batesian mimicry, is an ingenious survival tactic that relies on predators' learned avoidance. By resembling a more dangerous species, these butterflies reduce their chances of being eaten. The complexity of their wing patterns, the precision of their mimicry, and the evolutionary processes that shape them demonstrate that survival does not always require physical strength. Sometimes, illusion and cleverness are equally effective. Monkeys, especially certain primate species, offer a different kind of adaptation, one rooted not in physical structure, but in intelligence and problem-solving. Their ability to use tools reflects advanced cognitive development and flexibility in behavior. Monkeys may use stones to crack open nuts, sticks to probe for insects, or leaves as makeshift cups to collect water. These behaviors show a capacity for learning, memory, and creativity. Tool use enhances their ability to access food that would otherwise be unavailable, giving them a significant advantage in the wild. This adaptation hints at the deep evolutionary roots of problem-solving and ingenuity in primates, including humans. Finally, we arrive at turtles, creatures whose slow movements and ancient forms have captivated humans for centuries. Their shells are among the most iconic adaptations in the animal kingdom. Made of fused bone and covered with protective scutes, a turtle's shell acts as both armor and a shield against predators. But the shell also serves other purposes. It helps regulate temperature and retain moisture, enabling turtles to thrive in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. The structure of the shell has remained relatively unchanged for millions of years, indicating its remarkable effectiveness as a survival tool. Turtles embody patience, endurance, and the timelessness of nature's design. From chameleons to turtles, from the deceptive brilliance of butterflies to the raw power of sharks, every animal carries within it a tapestry of adaptations shaped by time, challenge, and the relentless push for survival. These adaptations reveal not only the diversity of life on Earth, but also its creativity. Nature continually refines, adjusts, and experiments, producing creatures that are wonderfully suited to the habitats they call home. By understanding these adaptations, we deepen our appreciation for the world around us and recognize the importance of preserving the ecosystems that allow such wonders to flourish. In a time when many species face unprecedented challenges, respecting and protecting these extraordinary animals becomes not just an act of admiration, but a responsibility. The natural world, with its boundless innovation, teaches us resilience, adaptability, and harmony, and it is up to us to ensure that the creatures who share this planet with us continue to shine as examples of evolution, as brilliance.